Namaste everyone. Welcome to IKM, a spiritual journey towards oneness. In this video, we will see chapter 2, Recitation with Meaning from sloka number 61. Tani sarvani sayyamya yukta asita matparaha vashehi yasyendriyani tasya prajna pratisthita. In order to attain steady wisdom, you should restrain your senses and focus your entire mind and being on me. ध्यायतो विषयान् पुंसः सङ्गस्तेषूपजायते सङ्गात् सञ्जायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते. Thinking about sense objects bring an attachment towards them. Attachment breeds desire, and desire leads to frustration, which in turn leads to delusion. क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशः बुद्धिनाशात् pranashyati. When you are deluded, you lost your memory, and with the loss of memory, the power of discrimination is destroyed. With the destruction of discrimination, your self itself is lost. रागद्वेषवियुक्तैस्तु विषयानिन्द्रियैश्चरन् आत्मवश्यैर्विधेयात्मा प्रसादमधिगच्छति. However, even while removing among senses objects, the self-controlled one who is free from desire and disgust brings himself under the jurisdiction of God and attain God's grace. Prasade sarvadukhanam hanirasyopajaayate prasannachetaso hyasu buddhir paryavatishtate. Purity of mind causes all suffering to cease. Such a person will attain without doubt steady intelligence. नास्ति बुद्धिरयुक्तस्य न चायुक्तस्य भावना न च भावतः only through discipline in yoga can one attain clear intelligence. Only then can one engage in meditation. Only meditation can give you peace, and without peace, where is happiness? इन्द्रियाणां हि चरतां यन्मनोनुविधीयते तदस्य हरति प्रज्ञां वायुर्नावमिवाम्भसि. Whichever of the wandering senses the mind hankers after, that sense carries away one's intelligence, just as the wind blows away a ship on sea. तस्माद्यस्य महाबाहो निगृहीतानि सर्वशः इन्द्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेभ्यः तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. Therefore, O mighty armed, one whose senses are completely withdrawn from sense objects is the fixed in wisdom. या निशा सर्वभूतानां तस्यां जागर्ति संयमी यस्यां जागृति भूतानि सा निशा पश्यतो मुनेः. That which is dark for all sentient beings is like bright daylight for those whose senses are controlled. That which is dawn for sentient beings is like the dark night for the introspective sage who sees. आपूर्यमाणामचलप्रतिष्ठं समुद्रमापः प्रविशन्ति यद्वत् तद्वत् कामायं प्रविशन्ति सर्वे स शान्तिमाप्नोति न कामकामी. Just as many rivers entering the ocean cannot stir it or disturb its stillness, similarly, the mind of a person who is unmoved by desires remains still and attains peace. The one who hankers after such desire does not attain peace. विहाय कामान् यः सर्वान् पुमांश्चरति निःस्पृहः निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः स शान्तिमधिगच्छति. The actions of a person who has abandoned all desires is freed from desire, indifferent to ownership or sense of possession, and free from any sense of ego. He attains peace. येषा ब्राह्मी स्थितिः पार्थ नैनां प्राप्य विमुह्यति स्थित्वा स्यामन्तकालेऽपि ब्रह्मनिर्वाणमृच्छति. O Partha, having attained such a divine state, one is not confused. If one is fixed in his consciousness, even at the moment of death, one attains Brahman and all suffering ceases. Om Tat Saditi Srimad Bhagavad Gitasu Upanishatsu Brahma Vidyaya Yoga Shastre Sri Krishna Arjuna Samvade Sankhya Yogo Nama Dvitiyodhyayah.